guaranteed at my soul. You've heard it all before, honest but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old, still can't fill the void.
So today we're watching Contagion, and somehow we're gonna manage to play Scrabble as well. So let's see how that goes.
If not tomorrow. If not tomorrow.
Yeah, if not tomorrow.
Or watch whatever tomorrow.
George is busy playing. What are you playing?
I'm playing Fortnite.
What's up, guys?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And double.
Double
would be
work?
20.
20. Give me 20 points, girl.
20?
20 points.
For that one, just not for the water, just for the
They're playing Scramble. I was inside my room playing the PS4.
Okay, where are we? This is the end of the game. The end results.
Yeah, I would have won.
In last place, Mr. Jesus, with 110 points. The best person got 115 points, me. So I'm in third place with 115. With a 3-point difference.
Dang!
Coming at 206 points. And the winner is Ailyn!
Don't cry, John.
And George came in second at 203 points.
Boom!
Wow.
I can't believe it.
I cannot believe it either.
Whatever.
She won by this one quick.
She won because she put lean, and then she put clean, and then she put cleaned.
You wanna play again? This is actually more satisfying because we feel kind of smart.
Yeah. Whoa!
Dang it.
What? You just hit me.
Oh. I wanted to get this water bottle, and whenever you came out, be like.
Who do you think you are?
We
Are
could
you a
turn
TikToker?
We could turn into a vlog, into a prank vlog channel.
You want to?
No.
¿Pero no te vas a enojar?
If it's not too bad.
You can't. You get what you get.
No.
See,
We can't
tú no
be
te
too
enojas, yo no me
mean.
enojo.
Fine, so I could do. We could start with that
you
one.
can get mad, but you have to get over it in that same clip.
Fine.
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 The fact that we simulated that.
We're twins.
No.
Tú vete a dormir.
Que a ti te queda más lejos de...
Oh, you might go that direction. We're gonna take a turn. Ready? Yeah?
That's not an angry bark. Just let him smell you. Can he smell you?
No, okay.
Let him smell you.
Okay, keep it that way.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
No, I'm laughing because we're telling him that we're about to go on a walk. I was trying to put on his collar, and then he's so ready to go that he just stuck his head. I was trying to put it on him. He just stuck his head in one of the holes, and he thinks he's ready.
It's like, let's go. Let's go.
Look at him! Kaido, I need to put it on right. Here.
That's a beautiful puppy.
Ready? That's it down.
So where do y'all go? Do y'all just go up and down the street?
Go to the left.
So up and down the street? Move, boy.
He thinks it's a race.
Ah, don't step on my shoe. Oh no. Oh, and it's red sand. Kaido.
No, don't get him wet. He can't get wet right now. You're not being a very good listener. You're not.
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
Me. Me. Ailyn trying to have a photo shoot with Kaido, but Kaido's impossible. He hates people standing over him.
It's okay. Wow.
See? Why are you crying? Wait, what just happened? What did my phone just do?
It opened with my face.
You've got to be kidding me. So it responds to you, Siri responds to you, and now it responds to your face?
Yeah. She knows me. We're the same person. I'm telling you, we're twins.
Y'all are twins.
Who are the twins here, Matt?
Me and you.
14 years apart. What is that?
That's what he's scared of.
They're just statues. They're just statues, silly. Oh, look at that beautiful flower.
Ailyn helps bugs.
Quarantine episode 15. Ailyn helps a caterpillar.
We don't know what to do.
Oops, sorry.
You bumped it in the head.
Sorry. Get on.
Don't throw it away.
I don't think he wants to go on a tree. Where'd it go? You know what? There we go.
Wow, I didn't even get that on camera.
Look at all the other
How do you... Ah! That's how he gets blown away. How do you focus?
What do you mean? You're
Got
probably
it.
too close.
I can't find it on the camera. Oh, there it is. Look, Crooked. It's a caterpillar. Let's touch it with stick.
What's up, everybody? How you guys doing? Man, I really miss you guys. I wish I was with you guys over there. But unfortunately, I have to be at work. Oh, well.
We just went on a walk with Kaido. Oh, he's looking for his toy. Get your toy! There it is. He found it. He found it. Look! He's so cute!
He's like, play with me, play with me. What if... What if he's trying to get away from that little tree and Catherine keeps putting him on there? Go put him on another one.
I'll put him on this bush.
Do you want to play or no? Okay, come here. Really? Alright, Kaido. You ready? You can't cheat. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Ready, set, go! Woo!
It's your turn to throw. No cheater. Ready, set, go get it.
Oh. There it is.
Look at Kaido.
What the heck? Kaido, do you like your new toy? I'm glad you haven't ripped it up.
That bird is for picking seeds. Like he eats seeds.
What are you looking at, honey? What are you looking at? Kaido always comes on this side. He did not flinch. And after a nice walk, took us forever to order this pizza.
45 minutes. Got some of this. And this is the Parmesan bread bites.
What did you get? Did you order me the wrong sandwich? You ordered me the wrong bread. Oh, yes. Never mind. Do you guys like my hair?
You said you knew.
So we got that, and then we got 2 lava cakes because I found a coupon for them.
There's 3 of us and
There's
there's 4
4.
lava cakes. Yeah, there's 3 of us and there's 4 lava cakes. What are we gonna do with the extra?
Ay, no.
The war for lava
Nice.
Ya
cakes.
sin el wifi nada.
1,
Estaban peleando por
2,
eso.
3, 4. There's no extra one.
That's gonna be the thumbnail, the lava cake war.
Vamos a nuestra niña, tiene buenos amigos y una gran casa.
So we're here, we're about to have a bonfire, and I also brought Kaido. We have the s'mores. My dad said that Matthew built a fire, so we're gonna go check it out. Matthew and George are trying to take this thing out. All right, come on, Kaido, let's go see my dad. Come on, come on. Hey, Dad. I can't even see it on camera. That's better. I can see y'all.
Why are you crying? Why are you crying, silly dog?
It's okay, puppy. Dad, oh my god. Oh, so my dad recently discovered Facebook. So Kaido's sparking a conversation between the neighborhood dogs.
Let me do it.
So how's the s'mores going? They're halfway there. Dad and his camel. Oh, be careful. You know that's how he used to sharpen my pencils.
Can I do it?
Can I do it?
Look at the video.
You know, gotta move those legs to the beat. You know the beat. You know what I'm saying? You free.
What's up, guys?
Who's next?
We're playing some more scramble.
You say don't tell me.
Yeah, if you keep asking who's next whenever you're next.
I can go again? Okay.
Oh, wait.
No,
It's
that's
your
fine.
turn.
No, it's fine.
Oh, it's my
It's
turn?
fine. Nope.
Wait,
not.
she said
No.
no.
No. Okay.
Stop it right now.
Here. Put love right there.
Where?
I don't think she's gonna use this footage.
Go anywhere.
It's the E.